Welcome this video title Crafting the Project House Workspace Design of Productivity and Comfort. Introducing in recent year the way we work have undergone a significant transformation with the rise of remoting, freelancing, and the gig economy. Much of you now have optimize and create dedicated workspace within our house. A well designed house workspace not only enhance productivity but also contribute be overall well-being. We will explore the key element of design, project of workspace balance, functional and comfort to create a space that promoting efficiency and creativity. Location and look over. The first place in design and effective house workspace is select the right location. Idea this show should be under and distributed area. Then you can focus without delicate consider fun such as natural light, noise level and promax to common area like the kitchen or living room. The layout of the workspace is into in important and excellent depth and chair to elegant to your comfort begin a long work hour. Ensure that your desk is long ambience to accommodate your and posting is maximally glass your computer screen at sun link large room and story solve and also maintenance cut free intermediate color and design. The color schedule and design of your home work space can significantly input your mood and productively consider the follow. Color choose a color scheme that promoting connectedness and create soft blue, green and natural tone and often protect but you can also incorporating accounting color that inspire you. Personally touch personally touch like work art plants and promoting quality to make at speed unique here that element can season as the holding of important and creative maximize maximize keep the decor maxing and consider a cut free element help make dispute and totally connecting and technology affect technology connecting and technology area visit compute of your product of workspace enhance that you have a secure internet connect high quality computer the national area of your work. Here are some key consider high quality internet in weight that are secured and high speed internet connect unique smoke video call and acute data transfer. Personalization you have workspace is a request reflect of your personalization and work style. Personalization is not limited to decor. It also acts of the touch and element to of use invoice in image that make the flow include and modern work whether your trans text and pin favorite number and or a connect transforming chair that personalization that can enhance your product.